Iptv Smarters Pro is one of the most popular Iptv apps worldwide, supporting M3U and Extreme Codes playlists on Android, iOS, and Fire Stick. To install, download the app from the official source or APK, allow unknown sources if needed, and open the app. Add your Iptv playlist by entering your provider's URL or login details. Iptv Smarters Pro offers smooth streaming, EPG guide, multiple playlists, parental controls, and customizable interfaces. Perfect for streaming live TV, movies, series, and documentaries. Want to install Iptv Smarters Pro with updated Iptv playlists and thousands of streaming options? Contact the number in the video and description.